Hi, I'm Dr. Renu Sharma. I am Head Academics in FDDI. So as Head Academics, I look after all the 4 schools that we have. We have leather goods, we have footwear design, we have fashion design and retail, and we have 12 campuses all across. How we are different and how we are promoting education is that we are not only focusing on the books or the academics inside the classroom. We are insisting on hands-on experience, going out to the ground, going to the field, working with the artisans with your hands. That's what we feel that the education needs as of today. And with this intent, we've also partnered with practitioners, people who are actually doing the practice at this moment of time, not that they are carrying the experience with them. So for example, our chartered accountant is coming to teach the finance to the students. Another entrepreneur who has her own social media companies is teaching digital marketing to the students, and so on. So we want the practitioners who are facing the problems now to teach our students. And we have a unique blend of design and management education. So our students know how to design, they have product knowledge, and they also know what is the business part of it in the retail part. So similarly, our business students, a gap which I found in leading educational institutions also, that students know about management, but they have no idea about how a product is designed or how the product costing will work out. So here it's a unique blend of design and education. So that's how we are contributing towards nation building. We are an institution of national importance, and we want each and every student and each and every faculty to contribute towards this cause. Thank you.